Morning, Soto, you're being charged with possession of Xanax, B-A-R-S, I don't know what that is, what is that?
Bars.
Xanax bars, is how they're referred to.
Xanax bars. All right, I understand you're eligible for pretrial service?
You're the
Any
only,
objection?
no objection, she has no priors. She's being charged per pill, which is improper, it should just be 1 count.
Ms. Soto, you working?
Yes,
How much money are you making a week approximately?
approximately about $200 a week.
Okay, and do you own any property of value, a house, a car, a bank account, significant amounts of jewelry?
Yes,
What do you own?
I own a lot of jewelry, all right,
Okay.
as well as
Oh, Go
a
ahead.
car.
Well, how much would you say your jewelry is worth? It's not a joke, you know, we are not in a club now.
Okay, but it's,
Hey, well,
kind
you
of,
see,
but
we are not in a club, be serious about it.
I'm serious about
Oh,
it.
you're
You
being
just
very,
made me
I can
laugh.
see you're serious, all right.
You just made me laugh. I apologize.
It's all right, how much is your jewelry worth?
It's worth a lot of money.
Like what?
Like Rick Ross.
Huh?
It's worth
Ma'am,
money.
have you had any kind of drugs in the last 24 hours?
Actually, no.
Actually, no.
Judge, I'll make it easy for the court, respectfully. I'll accept appointment at this time.
No, I'm going to appoint you because you own a lot of substantial amounts of jewelry. You can go and sell your jewelry for a private attorney. What is the standard bond?
It should be,
Ain't going to be no PTS.
okay, 5,000 on count 1, and then the rest should be ROR. Oh, yeah, this thing is also requesting a referral to Division 51, because she has no
Count
priors.
1 would be 5,000 per hour cost found. Count 2 would be ROR.
The state is requesting ROR on count 2 through 26.
And refer to Division 51. Bye-bye.
Adios.
Come back, ma'am. Come back. Come back. Give me the paper again. Count 1 would be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios. Come back again. Come back again. Bring her back again.
What's up?
I believe I heard you saying to.
Yes, I did. I'm not going to the.
I believe you. Did you say?
Actually, I
Did you say that?
Yes, sir. I did.
Oh, you did say that?
I'm not
I find you in
gonna lie.
direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.